Good evening everyone. Today we are going to do some questions of sentence improvement, in which a question will be given to you and there will be some underlined word which you have to correct and mark the correct option. So, if you look at the first question, he sent a word to the manager of the organization that he would arrive the next day. As you can see here, this is an imaginary sentence, and in case of imaginary sentence, if the second part is in future tense, so the first part will be in past tense. So, sent word is our correct answer. Next question. I have been playing cricket since 4 hours as my parents are out of the town. We know that this 4 hours is a time duration, and for time duration we do not use since, we use for. So, option number second is our correct answer. Next, when the earthquake hit the city, people was requested to vent like the air and evacuate the building. So, this word people is always plural, so it will take plural helping verb. So, instead of was, where will be used. So, people were requested to, and instead of went we will use go. So, people were requested to go like the wind. So, option number 2 is our correct answer. Next question. A good boss does not waste his valuable time finding faults with his subordinates. So, as we know that this word fault is uncountable, and uncountable nouns are always singular. So, instead of finding faults it will be finding fault with his subordinates. So, option number A is our correct answer. Next, we can buy any electronic gadgets in the famous Khagra Mela of Bihar. Can we? This is a question of question tag. So, we know that question tag of positive sentences are always negative. So, instead of can we it will be can't we. So, option number 3 is our correct answer. Next, the entire family of the textbook family firmly believes that a teacher should practice what she preaches. Now, if you look at this indicate a singular subject, and whenever we are not sure about the gender of any subject, so generally we use masculine gender. So, instead of she, he will be used. So, our correct answer will be practice what he preaches. Next question. He was rich by sheer accident of birth. This is a question of vocabulary. Instead of accidents we can use coincidence. Coincidence. So, option number 3 is our correct answer. Next, remember that the examinations never start late, they always start. This is a case of fixed preposition. Before time we use preposition on. So, on time is our correct answer. Next, my daughter never write to me, so I never know what she does. So, this subject is singular and this never indicate a habit. So, this whole sentence will be in simple present tense. So, my sister never writes to me, so I never know what she is doing. So, if you look at the option number 3 is our correct answer. Next question. The terrain of India is make of mountains. No, in this type of sentences we use third form of make, which is made of mountains. So, option number 2 is correct answer. Next, Rabi picked up the injured parrot and rushing to a nearby animal clinic. As you can see from this word picked, this sentence is in past. So, if the sentence starts with past, it should end with past also. So, instead of rushing it will be rushed. So, option number first is our correct answer. Next question. Plants can be dashed by their smell or textures. whenever we use can be, so it take past helping verb or third form, which is identified. So option number 3 is our correct answer. Next, the crows squawked loudly and dashed their prey. As you can see again here, this crows squawked is past tense. So the later verb also be in V3 form. So instead of pursues, it will be pursued. Option number 3. Next, much of the people in the train were asleep at the time of the accident. We know that these people are countable nouns, and much is not used before countable noun. We use most of the people. So our correct answer will be option number 3. Next, she shot an arrow in the air. Shooting arrows means the arrow is in motion, and whenever motion is there, instead of in we use into, because into indicates motion. So option number 4. Next, Burj Khalifa is the longest building in the world. We already know that for buildings or man or for any height of person, instead of longest we use tallest, or we use word like tall. So the answer will be Burj Khalifa is the tallest building, So option number 2 is correct. Next, advertising pressures women to be more thin. This word more and thin can be substituted in a single word, which is thinner. It is a comparative word of thin. So option number 2 is our correct answer. Next, I can rather be a poor man in a garret with plenty of good books to read than a king who did not love reading. This is an imaginary sentence, and for imaginary sentence we use helping verb would. So the instead of can, would will be used. So option number 2, I would rather be a poor man, is our correct answer. Next, Romila, you have to select the correct, grammatically correct sentence out of these 4 options. As we look in the option, this black and white makes a pair, and no separate articles are used before mandatory pair words. So option number 1 is our correct answer. Romila is wearing a black and white sari. Last question. It's a fine day. No, this is again a question of question tag, and question tag of positive sentence is always negative. So it a fine day, instead of no it will be isn't it, because the subject is it. So option number 2 is our correct answer. So this was the last question of sentence improvement.